First, we will start with a simple sketch. We will draw the shoreline, then place the hut on the right side. Spray some water on the paper and lots of white color and cerulean blue and ultramarine blue on the top of the paper, and again lots of white color, and mix it very gently. Apply same color combination in the sea area. After that, take any sponge you have and mix it. Then we will make clouds. Take a brush and take lots of white and spread the white color across the desired shape. Now we will make ground area with yellow, red and white color. Take some darker tones of blue and brown for making the ground area details. Now we will make hut area. We will apply darker tone for the base. Now apply dark green paint in the foreground and behind the hut. Add 3 coconut trees randomly in the scene. Paint the tree shapes with a dark green mixture. Then on the top we will mix yellow and sap green, and where the light is coming from above we will give light strokes with the brush, lighter tones in the hut. We will do some detailing in the water with white color and some ultramarine blue color for the depth of the waves. Add some detailing to the trees.